Welcome to Form2Go, the simplest and most powerful form builder on the internet. Let me now show you how simple it is to use our form editor. For our tutorial, let's create a simple Contact Us form. Let's first edit the name of the form. Click on the Edit label in the header. Rename it as Contact Us. Let me click on the footer and rename it as Copyright. By clicking on Show Header, Show Footer, and Show Border options, I can either choose to show the header, footer, or borders on the form. There is also an option to modify your label alignment on the form. If you were new to the website, you would see an option to add fields. Go on, click Add New Fields. This will open up two new options of Quick Fields and Technical Fields. Choose Quick Fields for fast and ready-to-use fields. The Technical Fields are for more advanced users. Let's select Full Name from Quick Field. Now I'll change the label of our field. Let me change it from Full Name to Name. I don't want the prefix field, so let me switch it off. That's much better. Let me add Enter Name as the tooltip. You can choose to add a middle name. I don't think I'm going to need that. I am now opting for a tooltip position. I can choose to keep it on focus or below field label. I think I'm done with this field. All I need to do now is click on Save. Now let's add an email field to the form. I'll once again click on Add New Field and select Email Fields. The label looks fine. Let me check the required box to make it a required field. Let me save this. Now let's try one of the technical fields. I'll click on Add New Field and click on Large Text. Let's change the label to Message. I will also raise the number of columns to 50 and the number of rows to 7 and add Enter Message as the tooltip. I will mark it as a required field and save it. Now let's edit the name field by clicking on Edit. Let me also make the name field a required option. Let us change the tooltip position to On Focus. Let me now add a radio button. You can simply click on Add New Fields and Radio Button. I can see two buttons already available. Now I can make any one of these my default button. I will rename the label as Inquiry and make the first option Sales and the second one Support. Let me add another one for Technical and I don't think we need that one. Let's delete that. I'll add a vertical alignment for the button. Let me also add Inquiry Type as the tooltip. Make it a required field and save it. If you want to move the field up or down, just click on the blue arrows. Let me change the label alignment to the right, or maybe it looks better on top. Well, I think I will keep it on the left as before. A simple click on the preview button on top should give me a preview. Alright, all the fields look fine. The tooltip is also showing on the right. It looks just right. I am done with Form Editor and ready to go to the next step. Thank you for using Form2Go.